Hey guys, if the sound is not working on your Apple Mac computer, then keep watching, as in this video, I'm going to show you a few ways that we can solve this. So the first thing you need to do is just head over to the Apple logo in the top left-hand side of the screen and then click on System Preferences. From this window, select Sound and then click on the Output tab at the top here. Now from here, you just need to make sure you have your speakers selected. So I'm currently using my internal speakers of my laptop, but if you do have external speakers, then you can also select those here. Now another thing to make sure of is that the mute option isn't checked, and just make sure that the slider here is turned up to full like so. And once you've applied all of these settings, you can then close out of this window. Now if that's still not working, the next thing you can do to fix this issue is head over to the launch pad in the bottom navigation, and using the search box just type in terminal and then open the terminal window. Now from this window here, you just need to type in sudo space kill all space core audio D and then you can hit enter. Now another way that you can end this core audio process if this isn't working for you is to head back over to the launchpad. Using the search box, type in activity monitor and then click on the activity monitor. From here, you need to click on CPU and then using the search box, you can just type in audio and you'll need to locate the core audio D process. So what you need to do is just double click on this process and then you can go ahead and press quit at the bottom. And then you can select either quit or force quit to close this. And once you've shut down this application, you'll then need to restart your MacBook, and that should have now fixed the no sound issue. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.